Woo. My pod right here is like a perfect angle for every single firework. Just don't move my hand.
Make nuts, nuts make nuts. You went over there.
People shooting them right behind us. Woo.
Wow.
Mom.
You know you like shoot 5 at a time. Okay?
No, they have to have like a finale.
That was the grand finale right there.
Wait.
They got more.
There it is. This is it.
This is not it.
Yep, 2 months.
This can't be it. That was cool, but this can't be it. Dude, Dad, if you jinx it, I'll punch you. Dad, I swear to God. It's okay, we're good. Ooh. Don't they have like a middle, like an inner, like a middle one, and then they have one at the very end? Like a... Or is that the one that's in Prineville? It has that one. I don't know where that one went. Ah, whoa, I don't know where my camera's being pointed. Oh, there we go. We're good, we're good. Ooh, that one's bright.
Looks like a smiley face.
It's like we look one way for a second, then we hear it the other way. We look the other way. I'm not even pointing at the thing anymore. Ooh, ooh, there's something biting me in the leg.
Ooh,
Can we sleep that now? Nope, not yet.
Oh. Ah, the screaming one.
Oh, that one was me. That was different.
Mom. That one was different. Yeah, you didn't ooh, that one. Ooh,
I'm on Daddy's team.
ooh, ching, chang, walla, bing, bang. I don't know why I always expect more from this.
Every year I'm disappointed.
Yeah.
Expect more every
It's like
year.
I
Air missiles and yeah.
that would be cool.
Yeah.
Dad, become the president so that we can see the ones from the White House. Sorry, your phone. Mom, your turn.
Whoa.
Ooh, that one's cool. I like those ones. I like the ones that blow up multiple times. Ooh. This can't be the ground. Oh, this might be.
There it is.
Yep, here it is. Lucas.
Yeah.
This is what I expected to be the entire time. Yeah, this is grand finale. Oh, it's still pretty either way.
Alright, let's load up real quick. No! Yay!
Boo! Donald.
Oh
no, that wasn't the end!
Wait for it.
That was tiny.
That had him in the middle. Then. That wasn't the end, that was the middle.
We put him in the van. Oh.
But he's gonna be pissed off more in the van. That one was bright. Is it done? No, it's not done. People loading up too soon. Ooh, eat, ooh, ah, ching, chang, loading with what? We really do not want to lose Lucas here. Is there more?
Yes.
Oh, there's more. Ooh. Oh, these are fire. That is a lot of smoke, though.
No, it's not fire.
It's a lot of smoke.
Fireworks.
Woo, pretty. My foot hurts. Can I sit down? I don't know where.
Oh.
Oh, that one has something in the middle of it. That one was different. I need to get a stand for my iPod so I don't have to hold it like this.
What? No, what do you mean?
It's gonna be questioning, like, for every time it stops for 5 seconds, we're gonna be questioning. Is that it?
Can you see him?
Probably close. It's been going on for over 8 minutes. Boom.
Where's Lucas? Oh, he's in the front.
He's happy. He's happy. Ooh. She's sitting on it.
Oh.
So just calm yourself.
I think the end like it.
What?
Do you guys need the cooler?
Do we need the cooler? Do we need the cooler?
No, don't.
We don't need it. No, we're fine. We're fine. That one was a good one. Come on.
Oh, right.
The green ones are really bright.
What did I miss?
Whoa.
I missed that. No, I.
Trying to keep my attention on the ones that are happening. It's 50 different ones happening at once. Ooh, ooh.
Ow!
You're so random.
Yeah, now.
Ow!
Yeah, the wind died down now that I don't have to light more fireworks. Oh, hi, Nana. Want to sit down here?
Here it
I
is.
need to stand up for a minute.
Okay. You can stand on me. You
My
can
legs
lean on me.
is slipping.
Are you sure?
Ah.
Yeah,
Oh, this is it. This is it. This has to be it. This has to be the final.
it's gotta be. Look at
This
all
is
of them at
has.
once.
Yep, this is the final.
It sure didn't go very high.
They're gonna go very high. I was expecting him to be like shot off that way or something.
Nana's teeth. Thank you. Thank you, honey. Thank you, baby.
Whoa.
All right, Genesis, go get in your seat. Bree, go get in your seat.
Woo!
No.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Nothing happened. We're good. Okay, let's go.
Hurry up and get out of here.
Right.
Oh, dude,
He's going to, yeah.
dude.
Look out of here at once, and then it's gonna be traffic.
That's how the traffic jams happen. Everybody thinks they're smart and goes really fast, and they still get stuck.
Can you put the cooler in here now?
Yeah, Bree, you gotta get up. They want the cooler.
Yeah, little pops. Pop, 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 pop. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Ooh, that one's big.
You getting anything?
Yeah, I'm getting a lot. I don't understand. When does it end?
What? Boy?
Well, that was cool. Whoa. Oh, that was big. Ooh, that was cool.
What?
Ooh, I like that one. That one was cool. Well, that was kind of trip.
That was cute. Oh, yellow.
Ooh, that was cool too. That one looked like a star, kind of.
It should say
So low.
They're pretty though.
I've never seen them so low though.
Bombs going off all around me.
Boy?
Everywhere. I don't know what to do.
You want to sit right there?
You think that was Mama?
Woo!
Come here.
Start raising hell when he's tired.
Yes.
He's going crazy, running.
What baby is this?
Yes.
Is that my girl? No, we can see him. Hi!
This can pass out just like if she sits on the floor or something or run around. She'll pass out like just anywhere. Ember, like when she starts getting tired, she'll get up and start knocking stuff over and running around.
Yeah, pushing her limits and all that stuff.
That's a boy. Thank you.
And then in the
Is that it?
bed, he just flips and flops and turns and twists
Stay
and
here now. Don't go
kicks
nowhere.
the
Is that it?
wall.
It's like a dog trying to climb.